How to make $10,000 as a student. Smart strategies for financial success. Hey there, future moneymakers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of student finances. We know that college or university can be an expensive time in your life, but fear not. In this extended video, we'll reveal not only how to make $10,000 as a student, but also provide you with fascinating facts, real earning examples, and actionable strategies to boost your financial success. So grab a pen, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey to financial empowerment. Let's get started. Freelancing. Did you know that freelancing is a booming industry with millions of professionals worldwide offering their skills and services? As a student, you have a unique advantage: your expertise. Whether you're a talented writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media marketer, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking their specific skills. Imagine this: charging $30 per hour and working just 10 hours per week can bring in an extra $1,200 per month. That's a staggering $14,400 in a year, surpassing our initial goal. So let's dive into the world of freelancing and unlock your skills for profit. One interesting fact about freelancing is that the industry has experienced tremendous growth in recent years. According to a study conducted by Upwork, freelancers in the United States alone contributed over $1.2 trillion to the economy in 2020. So, by tapping into this lucrative market, you not only have the potential to earn significant income, but also contribute to the overall economy. Isn't that amazing? Tutoring and teaching share knowledge, earn money. Did you know that private tutoring is not only a rewarding way to help fellow students, but also a lucrative opportunity for you? Private tutoring is a multi-billion-dollar industry, with parents and students willing to invest in quality education outside the classroom. By offering your expertise in a particular subject, you can earn a substantial income. Let's say you charge $40 per hour and tutor for just 8 hours a week. That adds up to $320 per week, which amounts to $12,800 per year. Additionally, tutoring helps reinforce your own understanding of the subject while building valuable teaching and communication skills. So, let's explore the exciting world of tutoring and teaching, an opportunity to share knowledge and earn money. Here's an interesting fact. According to the National Tutoring Association, the global private tutoring market is projected to reach a value of $258.7 billion by 2027. This highlights the increasing demand for personalized education and the significant potential for you to make a substantial income through tutoring. So don't underestimate the power of your knowledge and the impact it can have on both your bank account and the academic success of others. Selling online. Did you know that e-commerce is a trillion-dollar industry, growing exponentially year after year? It's time to tap into this market and turn your clutter into cash. Online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy provide a convenient platform to sell unwanted items or even create and sell your own products. Just imagine this. If you sell 20 items per month for an average profit of $15 each, that adds up to $300 per month or $3,600 per year. Furthermore, selling online offers flexibility and the opportunity to develop entrepreneurial skills that will serve you well beyond your student days. So let's unlock the secrets of selling online and turn your clutter into cash. Here's an eye-opening fact. In 2020, global e-commerce sales amounted to a staggering $4.28 trillion. This number is expected to reach $5.4 trillion in 2022. So by tapping into the immense potential of e-commerce, you can carve out your own slice of this lucrative market. Whether you're selling unused items, unique crafts, or even leveraging dropshipping models, the online world is brimming with opportunities for you to make a significant income. Investing. Did you know that investing can be a powerful tool for wealth creation, even for students? While it's important to note that investing carries some risks, smart investment decisions can help your money grow exponentially over time. Let's explore a hypothetical scenario. If you start investing just $100 per month and achieve an average annual return of 8%, over the course of 4 years, you would accumulate approximately $5,400, and that's just the beginning. The power of compound interest can work wonders when invested consistently over the long term. So let's dive into the world of investing and learn how to grow your money wisely. Here's a fascinating fact. The average annual return of the S&P 500 index, a widely used benchmark for the stock market, has been around 10% over the past several decades. This showcases the potential for your invested money to grow significantly over time. By starting early and harnessing the power of compounding, you can give yourself a head start in building wealth. So don't let the misconception that investing is only for the wealthy hold you back. With careful research and a long-term mindset, you can make your money work for you. Part-time jobs. Did you know that part-time jobs not only provide a source of income but also equip you with valuable skills and experiences? Balancing work and study can be challenging, but finding a part-time job that aligns with your interests and schedule can lead to a rewarding experience. Let's say you work just 15 hours per week and earn $12 per hour. That's an additional $3,600 per year. Additionally, part-time jobs offer an opportunity to develop time management, communication, and teamwork skills that will benefit you in your future career. So let's explore the world of part-time jobs and discover how to manage it all successfully. Here's an interesting fact. According to a study by Georgetown University, students who work part-time during college have higher graduation rates and are better prepared for the job market. This highlights the importance of finding a balance between work and study. By taking on a part-time job, you not only earn money but also gain valuable skills and experiences that can give you a competitive edge in the FE, maximizing your earnings. Before we conclude this epic journey, let's uncover a few additional tips and tricks to maximize your earnings as a student. Did you know that negotiating your rates as a freelancer or tutor can significantly boost your income? On average, negotiating just a 10% increase in your rates can result in an additional $1,440 per year. Don't be afraid to advocate for your worth and the value you bring to the table. Additionally, consider setting up automatic transfers to a savings account to help you reach your financial goals faster. By automatically saving just $50 per month, you can accumulate an extra $2,400 over 4 years. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your overall financial journey. So let's supercharge your earnings with these insider tips. Here's a thought-provoking fact. A study conducted by the National Endowment for Financial Education found that 70% of people who receive a windfall of money, such as an inheritance or lottery winnings, end up losing it within a few years. This emphasizes the importance of developing good financial habits and consistently working towards your financial goals. By maximizing your earnings and implementing smart money management practices, you can build a solid foundation for a prosperous future. Overcoming challenges and building long-term financial habits. While these strategies are powerful, it's important to recognize and address the challenges you may face along the way. Financial discipline, budgeting, and developing healthy financial habits are essential for long-term success. As a student, you may encounter unexpected expenses or temptations to overspend. However, by understanding your spending patterns, saving diligently, and being mindful of your financial goals, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of student life. Here's an empowering fact. According to a study by the University of Bristol, students who actively practice financial planning